Okay friends, in this project I'm going to show you how we can use AdRotator control, and we will use AdRotator control to show various images. But how we are going to show it? When user refreshes the page or when the user revisits our page, one image will be shown randomly. Okay? But we are using AdRotator with an XML file, and it is also possible to increase the possibility of an image to come more frequently than the others. Okay, I will show you how we can do that. Okay, first of all, I'm adding my web form here. Okay, and then I will take AdRotator from Toolbox and put it here. So my AdRotator is on my page. As you see, it seems like that, but it's not finished. Here, let me take some images. I will choose 1, 2, and 3, and I will use them, okay? But first of all, I'm going back to my Solution Explorer, and let me create a folder. I will say add new folder here, and I will give images name to my folder. Then I will go back to here, take 1, 2, and 3 JPG files, and I drag and drop them into my folder for my solution, okay? Now I have 1 JPG, 2 JPG, 3 JPG under images folder, and this is now exists in under my solution folder. Okay, then it's not all. Here I right click on my solution. I will say add new item, and you can search it, or you can go to C#, and at the bottom you can see XML file. Click XML file. I'm keeping its name by default, and I will say add. So I added an XML file to my project, and as you see, it's here. Okay. Now what I need to write in XML, actually in the lecture notes that I delivered to you, here we have a sample XML file. I am copying it, and then I go back to my project, and I delete everything here and paste the copied XML here. Now what we have in my XML content, I have advertisements. You can have many advertisements, and you can add them by using add element. Okay, you can use them by using add element. And here I have 3 images, and I used 3 add elements. And in every add element, I have image URL. Okay, I have image URL. What is this? This is the path and the image file name. Okay, so under images folder, I have 3.jpg file. Under images, I have 2.jpg, and under images, I have 1.jpg. So I have 3 advertisements. And for every advertisement, I have navigate URL. This is for what? When user clicks on the image, then the browser visits the link here. Okay? I put navigate URL for every advertisement. And I have alternate text for every advertisement. If something happens and image can't be displayed, then this alternate text will be displayed. And the final thing for my advertisements is impressions. What is this impressions element? This when this impressions value is higher, then that advertisement will be shown more frequently than the others. So here I set 5 for image 1, 1 for image 2, and 1 for image 3. So the first one will come more frequently than the others because its impression is higher. Okay? Okay. Then I go back to my web form. I click AdRotator, and in properties, I'm going to connect my AdRotator and XML file. So here at advertisement file property, I click on that, and from this button, when I click on that, I can see my XML files. Actually, I have one in my project now. I choose it and say OK. When I do that, I connected XML file with AdRotator. OK? OK. Then I am ready. I'm saving and running my project. So when I do that, my page will be shown with the first image. This is image 1. If I click on that, my browser will visit google.com, okay? If I refresh it, image 1 came again. I refresh it, image 2 came. I refresh it, image 1 came. I refresh it, image 1 came. You see, image 1 comes more frequently than others because its impression is higher. But sometimes image 3, sometimes image 2 comes. I am refreshing now, 2 came. And if other than refreshing, when user visits my page, every time, based on my impressions, various images or advertisements will be visible on my page. Okay? This is not only for refresh. When you refresh or when you revisit the page, you can see different advertisements. And this is how to use, this exercise is about how to use AdRotator with an XML file. Is that okay? Any question? That's good.